Next best action in sales, boosting success rates with AI. Next best action, NBA, is a data-driven sales strategy that identifies the most effective next step to engage prospects. By analyzing past interactions, behavior, and market trends, NBA ensures personalized, timely actions like tailored emails, discounts, or social media engagement, boosting conversion rates. Unlike static plans, NBA adapts in real time, aligning sales efforts with a prospect's current journey, enhancing relevance and effectiveness. This approach transforms every interaction into a strategic opportunity, improving sales outcomes and fostering stronger client relationships. AI boosts NBA by analyzing data to recommend timely, precise actions. It enables instant responses to customer activity, and through machine learning, continuously improves strategies for greater accuracy and efficiency. AnyBiz.io leverages AI to analyze data and recommend the most effective next steps in the sales process. By automating tasks, adapting strategies in real time, and delivering targeted outreach, it ensures sales teams take actions most likely to convert leads and close deals efficiently. As leads progress, tailored proposals or landing pages are suggested, ensuring every interaction drives the sale closer to closing. AnyBiz.io's NBA capabilities are powered by AI sales agents, automating 24/7 data-driven decisions for personalized, multi-channel communication. Real-time monitoring adjusts strategies, while seamless CRM and calendar integration streamlines workflows. The platform scales tailored interactions across leads, optimizing sales processes and boosting conversions. Try AnyBiz.io with a 7-day free trial. No credit card required. Close deals faster and smarter today. AnyBiz.io boosts conversion rates with AI-driven actions, customizes strategies for each lead, and saves time through automation, allowing sales teams to focus on closing deals. Its scalable, ever-improving AI ensures sales strategies remain effective as businesses grow and markets evolve. Stay in the know, like, and subscribe to never miss a beat on our latest releases.